Hi boys and girls, welcome back to school. I'm Mrs. Royer and I'm one of the first grade teachers, and we just wanted to say that we are so excited to have you in our building this year. We just want to have a great school year. We know that things are going to be a little bit different, like this mask that I just took off. But that's okay because we're just going to figure it all out together, and we just want you to know that we can't wait until you get here. Boys and girls, there's a couple of things that we need to make sure that we do this year to keep ourselves and everybody else around us safe. One thing was the mask that I had on earlier. All of us are going to be wearing these masks, and we will be talking about how to wear them in the right way. The other thing that we need you to make sure you do is before you come to school, have mom or dad take your temperature. That's super important just to make sure that you're feeling your best before you come to meet us.
Hello boys and girls, my name is Mr. Peel. I'll be one of your first grade teachers this year. Over here is where you're going to be dropped off if that's how your family decides to do so. Make sure you're not being dropped off before 7:30 in the morning, but from 7:30 on you're welcome to be dropped off, and I'll go ahead and show you where we're going to be going. Once you get dropped off, you'll be greeted by some of our friendly teachers and principals out here, and then we'll make our way up here to the front door. This is going to be the door that you're going to be looking for to try and come in. It's going to say student entrance. Look for the number 1 at the top. And as you're entering the building in the morning, you'll have plenty of friendly teachers and staff here to help kind of guide you to where you're going to go. You'll come in, you'll find one of our friendly staff members here, and they'll walk you down to the commons.
Hi, first graders. I'm Mrs. Coleman. I'm one of the first grade teachers this year. I'm going to be talking to you about things that you need to bring with you on the first day of school that maybe you're not used to bringing to school on the first day. This year, since we didn't have our regular open house, you need to bring your school supplies with you on the first day of school, okay? The second thing you need to bring with you is a mask, okay? We are asking that you wear a mask to school and then also have an extra mask in your book bag, okay? Please have your parents put your name on your mask so no one gets them mixed up. So you need your school supplies, 2 masks, and a water bottle. Our drinking fountains are closed, and we are asking that everyone bring a water bottle to have during the day. If you bring a disposable one like this, that's fine. We can throw it away at the end of the day, or you can take it home at the end of the day. Just make sure your name is on it. You also have the option to bring a reusable water bottle. The only thing with these is you still have to have your name on it, and it needs to go home every night to be washed, and then you can bring it back the next day already filled. That would be great. All right? 2 masks, water bottles. See you soon.
Hi first graders, my name is Mrs. Covey. I wanted to show you where you'll come if you're riding the bus. Mr. Peel already showed you where you'll come if you're a car rider, but if you ride a bus to school, you're going to come in these doors, and when you come in, you'll walk straight across into the cafeteria, and this is where you will wait every morning until your teacher comes to get you. If you choose to eat breakfast at school, you will also be able to go over to the cafeteria lines and get breakfast while you're in here. Just remember, if we have a 2-hour or a 3-hour delay, we will not be serving breakfast.
Hi boys and girls, I am Mrs. Childs. If you are learning remotely this year, you'll be seeing me on your computer, but the rest of you will be seeing me around our hallway. In the morning, when you leave the cafeteria to go to our classes, your teacher will come and get you, and you'll walk down to the first grade hallway. It is really easy to find our hallway because our hallway is purple. You will see our purple number 1, and if you look on the floor, you will follow the purple paw prints. Can't wait to see you.
Good morning, Mrs. Covey. Good morning, Mrs. Clark. Good morning, Mrs. Steeman. Good morning, Mrs. Seal-Scott. Good morning, Mr. Peel. Good morning, Mrs. Royer. Good morning, Mrs. Childs.
Welcome to first grade.
Good morning, Mrs. Coleman.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mrs. Short.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Evers.
Hello.
Hi, first grade. I'm Mrs. Short. At the end of the day, this is something your parents will need to do when you get home. They need to check your book bag for your homework folder. It could be many different colors depending on your teacher. On the inside of that folder, your parents are going to find your homework and any notes or communication that we will need to have your parents know about each night. Especially with the possibility of remote learning, it's very important we keep that communication open this year.
Girls, I'm Mrs. Seal Scott. So before you come to school the first day, it's very important that mom or dad fill out the final forms. If your parents go to vanwert-ohio.finalforms.com, you click on parent, they type in their email and password, and fill out the information from last year. The last year's information is already in there. So all that they have to do is look over it. But one form that's super important that we know is transportation. And we need to know where you're going the first day of school after you leave here in order to keep you safe. Can't wait to see you.
Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Evers. I'm one of the new first grade teachers, so I am so excited to be in this new building with you guys too, and we're going to have such a fantastic year. We cannot wait to see you guys all on the first day. Bye guys!